here to figure out why my pores are always so large and full of gunk, even though I'm always exfoliating every day. I don't get it. I came in, got a consultation, and we're gonna do dermal infusion. And Alexa's gonna help me figure out all my skin problems.
So I think what's really special about dermal infusion is it's a great price point, and it does more than your typical facial does. So I don't know if you guys have all gotten facials before and you kind of glow and you look great for that one day, and then the next day you go back to looking exactly like what you did before you got the facial. So I don't really see that as like a long-term benefit for your skin. So I try to recommend things that are going to give you long-term collagen production or long-term results. You're really doing something that's going to benefit you into the future and sort of maintain your looks and not allow you to age poorly. So dermal infusion is one of those things that I think should be in almost everyone's regimen. Basically, the Microdermabrasion diamond tip is going to take off that top layer of dead skin, and what that does is it opens up all of your pores in order for us to be able to cleanse them out really effectively without putting harsh chemicals or needing you to peel or anything like that that's going to give you any downtime. So the real benefit of the dermal infusion is clearing out the blackheads, clearing out the pores, and you're going to see them floating in the bottle after this procedure is done. But also giving yourself a glow that's going to last weeks until the next time you do it. We typically recommend monthly. We definitely have patients getting it done every 2 to 3 weeks if they have to be on stage or in front of a camera. But for the regular person, we just want to sort of keep our skin clear, get all the dead skin cells off so that we can have that beautiful glow. And it also helps with your makeup to go on more effectively. The other thing too is everybody always asks me what's good makeup, what's a good makeup brand, and I would say if you have a problem with clogged pores or acne, I would stay away from those mineral makeups. I know it makes it sound really like natural and good to be using mineral makeup, but really all those tiny little minerals get into your pores, clog them, and you can have an exacerbation of your acne. So stay away from the mineral. You really want to stay with sort of lighter, non-oily based primers, and some of the primers I really like actually cause your skin to make more hydration. HA Intensifier from 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐿 is a great one. I also like the resveratrol from 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐿. Both of those I use as a primer, and they're teaching my skin to hydrate itself at the same time. So all of these products and more, and daily regimen recommendations can be found on theskinsspot.com. Honestly, we really want to encourage people to use medical grade, proven, science-backed products instead of spending $9.99 here and $19.99 there and not really seeing a huge difference in your skin. A product might smell good, but it's not really studied, biopsied, and proven to work. Every single product on the Skin Spot is curated by me. It's something that I've used personally and that I really believe in.
Okay, so I was really nervous about this dermal infusion procedure. I'm kind of a snob when it comes to my skin. My mom always told me to wash with 12 different types of things. This was the best. Washing the after of that little bottle felt so good to see all that crap come out of my face. You guys need to try this. It's so gross. I'm coming back. I'll see you in 4 weeks. Not kidding.